Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how you can find draft videos on YouTube on your mobile. So first up, tap on your YouTube application. Once you open your YouTube app, as you can see right from here. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to tap on the plus icon and I'm going to record a short video right here. All right, so I'm going to tap on the red button to record a video. And then once done, tap on the X icon at the top left-hand corner of your screen. And then here, tap on Save as Draft. Now, once the draft saved and you want to find that draft videos, tap again the plus icon right here at the bottom middle of your screen. And then from here at the right side, you'll find the drafts. So basically, you just have to tap on drafts and you will find all the draft videos on YouTube. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.